Hey guys, if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you my quick everyday makeup routine. So first I'm gonna moisturize with this e.l.f. Holy Hydration with the SPF. I like putting in a lot, so whenever I do my base, there's no like dry patches around my nose, cheeks, eyebrows, anywhere. This cream is really good. This is my like third or fourth jar. It's affordable and it works quite nice. Next I'm gonna go with lip balm. I'm gonna use this NARS one. Now I'm gonna use this Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade, I believe 5. Yep. If I do go on messy, I literally don't care because it's still like, you know, after moisturizer, and I could literally just wipe that away. Just go in very lightly. It's darker to the ends and mids just lightly. I go in messy, like I don't care. I don't care if it goes anywhere. We're going in with foundation afterwards anyways. Now recently I've been really into the underpainting method. So what I would do is just go like that. A little bit like this. This was the Makeup Revolution Fast Basic Foundation in shade F13. I'm using that as like a contour bronzer stick. And then this is the Huda Beauty Cheeks Tint Stick in Proud Pink. I do like a lot of blush, so I always go ham on the blush. Right now I'll probably look like that clown emoji, which is what you're supposed to look like. It's completely fine. Then I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Liquid Kilowatt in Hustler Baby. And just, you know, putting it where highlighter goes. Even though we're covering this all up later on, I don't care. It gives it a nice finish throughout the end. Like this. I literally don't care. Because we're doing underpainting anyways. It's supposed to look harsh, it's supposed to look aggressive. Honestly, if you can't blend properly, like you're still a beginner or whatever, it doesn't matter. Because this is underpainting. We're literally gonna go over with foundation. We look crazy. That's okay. So I'm gonna take the Makeup by Mario foundation in this color N8. Only one pump on my hand. I'm gonna spread it out like that. Take my foundation brush. I think this one's from e.l.f. And just do that. Pick it up and put it down. Just like that. I usually only need one pump. I think today I'm gonna need a little bit more. I'm not sure. See? Honestly, I feel like you can't see much on this camera, but in real life, it's really nice and glowy, like natural. I'm gonna use half pump more. Because this time that one pump did nothing. Now what I like to do is I like to add concealer. My Dior concealer in the color 1W, the Backstage. Like adding it like this. and then I like spreading it out like that. I do like more of a brighter look overall, so if you don't like this much or you're not a bright under eye girl, you could just, you know, use as less as you want. I'm just gonna take this random beauty blender and just blend. This beauty blend's from Eco Tools, by the way. And then for the under eyes, I'm gonna set with Huda Beauty's Easy Bake powder in the color, I think it's Cupcake. Yeah, Cupcake. I'm gonna take it on my powder puff. I like shaking it upside down so the powder comes onto the lid like that. I'm gonna take powder puff. I'm gonna take the powder and swirl it around like that. Dab and swirl. Do not get too much, just enough. So that's how I like doing my under eyes, just like that. Along with my under eyes, I do set like right on the sides of my nose. And I would just take a powder brush, take whatever's left on the lid and just put it everywhere. I do have oily skin, so if you have drier skin, you might want to use compact powder or any powder, like the one size loose powder. That's good for dry skin. If you're dry, you probably don't want to use as much powder. Now I'm going to take my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. It's in the shade Deep Bronzer. This random brush. I like more, I don't know. I think this used to be like a normal fluffy brush. I made it into a flat brush by only using it flatly. But I'm just gonna bring back some of that bronze that we lost. Just not too much. Not using a lot of product, just a little bit. See? Made such a big difference. I'm just gonna bring back on my nose because that definitely disappeared. That's, yeah, this is how I do my nose when I am in a hurry. Everyday makeup, always in a hurry, unless going out to a party or something. I still need to rush towards the end. For blush, I'm using the NARS Orgasm X. It's the R13. I just like this brush. Some people use like a tapered, bigger brush, but I like this one. I feel like it deposits more color and I have more control. Yeah, so I do like a lot of blush. If you don't like this much blush, you don't have to put it on. See? Looks quite good. And then I use the Dior highlighter in Nude Glow, #1. This is the Bella Noir brush from the Morphe collab. Not Morphe. Elf collab. And I just like using it like that. I actually like a lot of highlighters, so I just, you know, keep going like this and then, you see that? Yeah. It's actually very subtle. It's very buildable. You could put as much as a little, like this is a little bit. You could see a little sheen, or you could put more and get more of a glow. This is not like a blinding highlight. It's very soft and it looks like a glow. Like literally, it looks like you're glowing. It doesn't look like you're, you know, what's it called? I don't even know at this point. It doesn't. It's not like that 2016 highlight. Let's just say that. That blinding whatever, just, yeah, it's not like that. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. Take any shimmery shade from it, like literally any shimmery shade. I'm gonna use this color, Blissful. use only a little bit, like a little bit. I don't want it to look a lot. But for a little shine. Then I'm gonna use a random brush. Probably already has a brown on it, doesn't matter. Just gonna do that. Just define the crease a bit. See, already made such a big difference. Next is liner, lipstick, and setting spray. That's it. My Makeup by Mario liner. And just create a wing. Waterline. I love doing this. I like only going up to here with my liner. I don't like going all the way in. So what I like setting it with is from the rose quartz palettes. Like again, I like setting it with this grayish color. It's a nice color. It's deep purple, gray. I don't know what it is actually, but it's a nice color. And this is it for the eyes. I love this gloss so much. It feels so good. My lips look just like candy. Stay All Night Microfine Mist Setting Spray by The mist is super funny. I have to put like so much on. It feels like nothing. Okay, so this is the look for today. Makeup all complete, hair done, outfit on. Thank you for watching me create this look. Follow my Instagram and my TikTok at navsnow.